And I'm live. I am live. Oh my goodness, I'm live after... How long? How long have I been away from Minecraft? You have no idea how long. Well, people who watch my channel... No! My carrots! My carotes. There we go. I put my carrots back in place. Okay, we're good. Alright, welcome everyone. Welcome to my Minecraft, the return of VloggyBuddy on Minecraft. Okay, apparently I can't put them. I'm gonna eat it then. I can't believe I'm back in Minecraft after so long. I've been away from Minecraft for a very long, and I plan on coming back. Hard mode. I used to play Minecraft so much until I poisoned myself. You know how it is sometimes when you have something sweet and it's so good, it tastes so good, but you have too much of it, it makes you sick. And that's what happened with Minecraft. I had to step away from it for a while because I poisoned myself with Minecraft. So yeah, I'm still in testing phases. I'm not so sure what's it like capture wise, so I'm gonna check the quality of my voice and the quality of the music. I put some music in the background. Hopefully I don't get copyright sued or something like that. I want to check the volumes and the quality and the blah 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 blah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna make myself a drink as always. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, that took a while. Sorry, because something happened. I made myself a drink, and then I went to post the link on Facebook and Twitter, and it says my account was compromised or something like that, so I had to change my password and all that stuff. Oh no, it's not the stuff. Oh my goodness, I got a skeleton in here. I can't handle him because I died, so I lost all my stuff, so I have to start over. Yes, okay, I need to greet some people. I am so rude. So welcome Francesco, welcome Pixelsoft TV, and welcome Ali. Welcome everyone. Yes, it's 100%. It's 100% survival. So this house, I'll show you the house. Some people will not believe me that I built this on. Well, I have some videos. I used to record this when I was building it, and then it was getting really tedious, so I decided to do it off recording. But I like to record most of my stuff. But yeah, this is, the fan is directly on my face and it's annoying me. Hang on. Much better. Much better. Now it's on my back, not rather than my face. Okay, we're good. Still the same. Oh no. It's blowing in the microphone. It's annoying me. If you can hear it and it's annoying you guys, let me know. So this is my stuff. This is where I keep my loot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just use it to make a bunch of stuff. I need wool. Wool. Wood. I haven't played Minecraft in ages, and I decided to play it on the PS4. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I've been watching a lot of people playing it on the PS4, so I thought, why not me? Yes. What's the song's name? Yeah, I should have put a description. It's by Approaching Nirvana. They are, hopefully, yes, these still are. They are, what's the word? There's a word. Royalty free. That's the word I'm looking for. Royalty free. Yeah, so I built this place all by myself, but it's getting dark now. Hold on, let me see if the skeleton is still here. So I'll terminate him. No, he's not here. Let's just change it to morning so I can show you the house properly. But yes, I built this house by myself, obviously, and trying to remember where the bedroom is. Oops. There's the bed. Yeah, I still haven't finished furnishing the place. I was more focused on finishing the shell rather than the furnishing. Look at Enderman. He likes my house. So I'm gonna step outside to show you the outside of the house first. It's too big, huh? It's too big. And I haven't completed upstairs, but I'll show you. I'll show you everything. Let me just show you what it's like first on the outside. And the fun of this game is actually building something block by block. Creative is fine, but doing it on survival is fantastic. This is the mansion that I have. I think this is the biggest mansion I ever built on survival, of course. I've built other mansions on creative. But this is the biggest, I think. Hey, Mr. Zomb. You got something for me? Did you drop anything? Nope. So that's the entrance of the house. Even these trees are fake, they're not real trees. I have to make them, I have to build the trees, you know? And the landscaping was a pain, huh? Hey, Pixels. Oh, hello, Dandy. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Hang on a second. Okay. So yeah, I was going to show you the landscaping. It took me forever to landscape this thing, and at one point I even gave up landscaping, and the building was very, very close to the mountain of the sand and the dirt or whatever. Yeah. So let me show you the inside real quick. Oh, you've already seen it anyway, but just gonna show off a little bit, okay? I built a fountain. Look how many bunnies. It's a bunny trap. It's a mob trap, not just the bunny trap. Mad Queen, welcome! Welcome. I decided I'm gonna check. Hang on, I want to check the quality of the stream when I look around. Hang on, because I up the bitrate. Is that what you say? Up the bitrate. I increased the bitrate. I don't want to make sure that it doesn't lag or anything like that when I look around. No, it seems to be okay. Let's see. No, it seems to be okay. No, it seems to be okay. Alright, so let me show you the inside. Getting sidetracked already. So much distractions. So this is the entrance. There's the stairway up there. I'm going to show you room by room though. Let's start from this area. So this is the kitchen where the magic happens. Here I cook. And I have my potatoes, my steaks. This is because of OCD, so I want the potato in here. Vegetables more or less. And then I have meat has to be in a separate box. You're welcome. Hey Claude23MC, welcome to the stream. I am back with some Minecraft. Oh, I miss Minecraft so much. And there are many people that actually made me crave Minecraft. One of them was you, Ali, actually. One of them was you, Ali. And this is fish. You see, you can't keep fish and meat together, so my OCD kicked in and I had to separate them. I am stupid. And this is the dining room. A dining room. And this is where I make the potions happen. I think, yeah, I have the chests hidden here, look, with all my supplies. And I have the brews here, I think, yeah? The brews. Do I have any? No, I don't. Hey, I'm still getting started. I look at... Oh! I'm still getting started, okay? Still getting started. So yeah, that was another room. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Dandy. Oh, I was showing around, actually, I forgot. And then there's my indoor farm. I decided to have an indoor farm. I just thought it would be cool to have an indoor farm. Look at the stuff here. I have my carrots, I have my potatoes, I have my mushrooms. They need some darkness. The mushrooms require some darkness, so this area is kind of dark, but I always risk of mob spawning. But I never had mob spawning so far, so we'll see. My breads. I keep a workbench here, and I should have a ho here. Do I have a ho? I can't open it because of this. I should have a ho here somewhere. I don't know where the ho is. I think I lost it. Did I lose my ho? Ho! Okay, out of here. What else? I think this room is empty. I don't think I've finished this room. I'm giving a little tour since it's my return. Malta potatoes. Yes, of course. I think everybody's watched the Malta potatoes. I mean, everyone who's Maltese has watched the Malta potatoes videos, yeah. My potatoes. I do need an indoor pool, but hang on. I'm gonna show you something, Ali. Hold on. The chair in the front. That's true. I should have made the chair in the front. Someone important. Well, I won't have as many people. Hang on. I'm gonna have a zip. Hang on. You know, I like mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I do mushrooms. Hang on. This is another room. A lot of furnishing is still required. I just did the important so far. Just a room for chests. This is where the bedroom was originally, and this is where I had the chest of supplies. I managed to empty the whole thing. All I have left is this room and just a bunch of junk in this room. So this is gonna be a big bedroom here. It's gonna be a giant bedroom. But I need ideas. We'll see. We'll see what comes. We'll cross that bridge when I get to it. When we get to that. I'm rambling. I'll show you why I didn't do an indoor pool, Ali, in a second. Okay. Now this is my room full of supplies. I showed you this already. Nothing else to show. And then I have a similar room here. Very, very similar. but instead it's focused more on weapons and armor and tools and stuff. Did I die and lose everything? No, these are my prized possessions. Look at these. Hang on. Oh, let me clear these away. These are my prized possessions. This, it's Unbreaking 3 and Fortune 2. That's my my prized possession. And I have this as well. This is Sharpness 1 Fire Aspect. I love it. I'll keep it there. Rare enchantments, I suppose. And this, my ultimate favorite thing, Flame and Punch and Power. Oh, it doesn't have infinity. I thought it had infinity. So it's not ultimate. There we go. What else? Do I have anything else? What about this? I'm breaking. Okay. Alright. I have that in real life, Matt Green. I have that in real life. That's how it is in real life. I have a bed that leads up to the stairs that leads up to the bed. And then I have a library that I'm still working on. You don't have no idea how I'm sure you do. It requires a lot of bookshelves to accomplish this. It's gonna be the whole thing. It's gonna be a library. All of it. All of it, all of it, all of it. But it takes a lot of time and effort and patience. So yeah, I can enchant stuff, however, anyway. And then I have my stuff here. Yeah. Want to make sure everything's here. Power, 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 protection, protection book. Okay. Let's go. Is the audio quality okay? The music, is something overpowering something? Is the music overpowering me, or the sound and the gain, or the wind in my face? Is it making like a? Okay. Yo, Sparrow of Darkness, welcome to the stream. We are playing some Minecraft, as you can see. 100% survival. I'm just showing off my mansion right now. This is all I have in this map, by the way. I must have dedicated hundreds. Well, I'm not gonna say hundreds. Maybe 100. I don't know. I hate thinking how much time I spent on this map, but I spent a lot of time. And all I did was just build a house, really. But yeah, as you can see, I mean, like for instance, even to get the carpets, to get the dye, and to get the glowstone. You know, there's glowstone here. You know, I know how much glowstone I have to mine to do all this. You know, yeah, and the wood, and yeah, so I wasted a lot of time still building a house. I'm still building the house. And this is the upstairs, but it's completely empty for now. I still haven't done anything. I don't know what to do yet. I am a good builder, if I do say so myself. I think I'm a good builder. I copy a lot of ideas, of course. I get inspiration from a lot of... I'm not gonna show you the back yet. Hang on. I'm not gonna show you the back yet. I'm gonna take you to the back. Hold on. Let's go. My library should have a second floor. Maybe it should. Maybe it should. Okay, let me show you. Hang on. Let me show you some more stuff. So this is the front garden. Okay, oh, it's getting dark. I'm gonna show you the back. I should equip my sword just in case. What does the glowstone do under the wool? Hang on, let me go back inside. It lights it up. It helps light up the place, and it hides it neatly instead of having torches all over the place. It's gonna get dark, so I can show you better now. You see, the carpets are just hiding the glowstone underneath. There's just a bunch of glowstone here, even here, even here. Have you noticed how I don't have any torches? Nothing. It's because underneath. Hang on, I alternate 1 and 1. You see? You see? I alternate. So yeah, I hide the glowstone so it looks nice and neat. That's why. I barely have any torches. I only have torches to light up the areas that are not covered by the rugs. Yeah. Keeps the area lit. You see, for example, this area, if it wasn't for the glowstone here, it would be completely black, dark. Yep. Let's make it morning real quick. Maybe a party room. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what I can do. Now I'm going to show you the back garden real quick. Thank you so much, Sparrow. Thank you, thank you. Let me show you the back side of the mansion now. I have a tennis court, and to do the tennis court, and I have my Soso here. His name is Soso. Oh man. And it's not Soso, it's Soso. You have to say it with an accent. Soso. My dog is called Soso. This is a tennis court, but I require cobweb, and I think I need an enchantment on the shears in order to get the web, because I need to do webbing here. So it looks like a net. And I still haven't got the shears yet, so once I do, I'm gonna have a net. I have a tennis court without a net. I know. And then I got my pool. Look at my pool. Why should I make an indoor pool? And I got a massive pool over here with a hot tub as well, complete with hot tub. Ta-da! Look at me chilling. Look. And then I have, I think this one's deep. Yeah, this one's kind of deep. Well, not deep, just 3 blocks deep. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Well, strictly speaking, it's still underwater. Okay, let's go. Oh, I can't come up. I can't come up. Oh no. Help! Can I go up? Yes, I can. So yeah, this is the mansion from. You see how? Then at one point I really got lazy with landscaping, so it's just I just barely completed the landscaping. Look at that. The tree barely touches the. Yeah, I got really tired of landscaping. It's tiring. So yeah, that's all I have in this world. Okay, those asking for a world tour, this is pretty much it. It's just the house. Just the house, but I landscaped a lot. And I already have another mansion in mind. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a second entrance, a back entrance, but I haven't figured out how I want to do the door yet. We'll see. We'll see. Should I punch the bunny? Should I punch the bunny? Where's the bunny? I saw a bunny. Where'd it go? Okay, so, bunny! They're fast. I can't. Bunny, come here! That's it, that's enough. You know how many sheep I had to shear to do those carpets? Like, unbelievable. What Q&A? What kind of Q&A? I don't know. I don't think people are curious enough about me to do a Q&A. I don't know. I mean, we're streaming. You can ask me anything. I'm streaming. You can ask me. Hang on, let me have a sip. That bunny. Alright, I need some gear. Hang on. Let me see how many diamonds I have. I forgot. I have 39 diamonds. Such a boss. I'm kidding, I don't think of myself as a boss, but I know how to build. Yes, I know my way around a build. Let me just make some armor as well. Ah. That's all I'm gonna use. That's all I'm gonna use. Oh, come on. That's it, that's it. My suggestion on how to start a gaming channel. My suggestion is be yourself. Don't try to imitate someone else. Just be yourself. Just start streaming, do your thing. Just because somebody switches on their camera when they play, although I recommend it, doesn't mean you have to. Just because, I don't know. Just because somebody says something all the time, I don't know. You don't try to imitate your favorite streamers. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't try to imitate anyone. Just be. Oh, I forgot to make an axe. That's what I wanted to do, an axe. Just be yourself. Who spoke Maltese? Who spoke Maltese? I need that money. Vlog doesn't. Paul, yes. Paul, by the way, yes. Paul, I'm Maltese, just like you, and I appreciate the Maltese language, just like you. But I'd rather keep it English, so everybody understand, really. With that being said, I'm doing alright, my friend. I'm doing alright. This is Pumpkin Island. Oh, Pumpkin Island. This is Melon Island. I did it myself, obviously. I didn't find it. This is Melon Island. How do I get out? I forgot. How do I get out? I forgot how to get out. I forgot how to get out. How do I get out? I forgot how to get out. Oh, that's how you get out. Okay. This is Melon Island. I don't think I can ever clear the island of melons, because once I clear some areas, they're gonna spawn a bunch on the other side. Look, I think I cleared all of them. I look at the other side, and there's more. Look at that. I can never get rid of all the melons on this island. Never. I think I did. I just did. I just did. Okay, we're good. Let's go. Aww. Look, we got a troll. Bye. Enjoy. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. He can go bother someone else. Minecraft attracts a lot of kids, and I don't mind, but with kids comes also immature behavior, and that's fine. And that's fine. I mean, that's fine. It's okay if you want to be immature, but you're not welcome on my stream. Bye! You know, that's what I'm gonna try to accomplish today. I'm gonna try finish the bookshelves. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish that. I'm gonna do that, but I don't know if I'm gonna finish that. And I'll try to do some more landscaping. I want to flatten the area more. There you go. Hey Haj Nation, I don't think I said hi to you. Welcome. Let's get in. Let's get it. It's getting dark. Oh my goodness, I'm being attacked by trolls. That's okay. You guys are funny. I enjoy blocking people, so go, keep them coming. I enjoy blocking people. Actually, you know what? I'll never get tired of blocking you, buddy. It's the same guy. It's pretty much the same guy. That's fine. That's alright. Minecraft does attract a lot of retards, so it's okay. I've seen it before. I've seen it happen before. I was on a stream, and there was this one guy creating fake accounts as well. He was attacking Sniper Cat. I always say that when you get attacked by trolls, it means you're doing something right. That's why you get the hate. Sparrow, just don't acknowledge. Don't acknowledge. Yeah, these people need attention from their mommy and stuff. But they don't get it, so they have to do this on the internet. It's fine. Why is it 2010? This is a big tree. It was. The peak of Minecraft was 2010, but still, come on, man. Come on, bare bones. Haven't played Minecraft in ages. I missed Minecraft. Oh no! Okay. I should play on PC, it's true, but the thing is this, my iMac, it's not handling it the way it used to before. It still does okay, but it's not the way I like it. And then I got a gaming laptop. But I hate playing on laptop, so... Okay. It's alright, Ali. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the trolls. Sorry. Don't worry about the troll. I just gave you the banhammer. Are you using it like crazy? It's like I was expecting that. I wasn't. Oh, I need to get another axe. Yes, exactly, Bare Bones. Yeah, exactly. It's just that Minecraft is an awesome game. It is, but it attracts a lot of childlike humans, children. I mean, there's nothing wrong with kids, but it's just that with kids come a lot of immature behavior. Three, 6. Let's make 2 axes. I keep getting confused where my bedroom is. It's over here. Hey Sand, welcome buddy! Welcome to the stream. We're playing some Minecraft. Did you ever see this mansion? Look at the mansion. Let me show Sand my mansion. Cause Sand is awesome. Look at the mansion, and that was made on survival, no creative. That's all survival, buddy. I do have a moderator. I have Bare Bones. Bare Bones is a moderator, and I have Alicat as well, moderator. Hey Pro Sam, welcome buddy. Welcome, welcome. I don't think you ever expected to find me playing this game. Hey Sam? I love this game. I haven't played it in, I want to say years. Must have been a year for sure. Look at this tree, it already grew. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. These take forever to grow though. I think I have enough wood for now. My skin! It's, hang on, because he's wearing a helmet. He's Jesse from Minecraft Story Mode. Jesse! It's him. So, what was I gonna do? Yeah, let's see if I can... I don't think I can make books, because I need leather. Right? Yeah, I do need leather. I don't have leather. You're welcome, Dante. Thanks so much for hanging out. I don't have leather, do I? Nope. There's another quest. I need to get leather. That's okay. I'm gonna put this here for now. Is it dark outside? No, it's not. VR headset. Is there classic crafting in this game? I didn't know that. No, even if there was, I'm not gonna do that. It's quicker.
I know you're a monster.
Let's landscape some more as well. Maybe I'll start from here. I forgot the best way to landscape. Get out of my way, sheep. No! Oh, you're gonna get it, sheep. Oh, you're gonna get it! You're gonna get it! I told you! Why do you think of me every time you go to McDonald's airport? Did we ever meet there? I don't think we did, no. Why? You are weird, bare bones. That's why I love you. No homo. I still prefer Minecraft PC over this, even though I'm playing it over here. Just saying. You see, this is when I get lazy and I don't feel like going back in to make another shovel. Ah, it's because of my work. Yeah, well, from time to time I do have to go there for work, but rarely nowadays. That's where the head office is, but I don't work there much. I used to be there most of the time, but not anymore. It's okay, keep thinking about me each time you go to McDonald's. And think, VloggyBuddy can't have this. VloggyBuddy can't eat this. Time to bed. I'm wondering, where did I get to level 2 experience from? I didn't mine anything. I barely killed anything. Today I don't really feel like continuing on the mansion itself, like the actual structure, but maybe next stream I will. Okay, how do you know that? How do you know that? Now I have to ask. It's one of my vlogs, I think. I did one of my vlogs. I did a vlog where I was happy about moving to new offices. that. I would love to do a Minecraft Maltese adventure. Well, Maltese adventure. It will never be in Maltese anymore. I won't make videos in Maltese ever again. Ever again. The Maltese fan base is weak. I wanted to do something unique at the beginning of my channel. I wanted to start by having something unique, a Maltese YouTube channel. But, man, you'd be catering for a teeny tiny island on the world. Just a teeny tiny island. The rest of the world will not understand a thing you're saying. And it's not fair. You know, it's not fair. I always think of the #1 YouTuber in the world. PewDiePie, okay? He's Swedish. And he doesn't speak Swedish in his YouTube channel, on his YouTube channel. He speaks English. Bad English, sometimes, you know? So you have to cater for the world, not just for your country. If that makes sense. Is that making any sense to you? No, he doesn't sound American. No, but if he does, it's just because... hang on. No. There we go. I just need to mark these. I don't think he sounds American. If he does a teeny tiny bit, maybe if he does it, it's just because he's used to watching so many other YouTubers or so many American shows. Even me, the way I say certain words, sometimes I can sound a bit Canadian, American, German, whatever. You know, but it's because it rubs off when you watch a lot of shows. That's what it is. And at first I thought, oh no, my accent, people are gonna make fun of my accent. I have a weird accent. I don't want to speak this accent in front of others on YouTube. But then I learned that different is awesome. People love different sometimes. They're like, oh, you have such a nice accent. Like, really? Really? I sound like a weirdo, in my opinion. But yeah. So never be afraid of your accent. Be afraid of your accent. Is that what I'm trying to say? Never be ashamed of your accent. For instance, I have a friend of mine, and he speaks bad English. Like, I'm not saying I speak good English, but like, he speaks English with an accent, with a very hard Maltese accent. I don't have that. I don't think I do. Some say I do. But anyway. And when he went to Australia, alright, and he was speaking in English, people went crazy for his accent. I'm like, really? He speaks English like this. He speaks English with a lot of strength in what he says. You know, like this. I'm speaking like this right now. This is the Maltese, typical Maltese accent. When they speak in English, like for instance, I am going to mine this stone with my pickaxe, like this, and then this, and this, and this, and this, and this is called sandstone, for instance. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Ah, there's Tristan. Welcome, Tristan. There's Tristan. I sent you a message, Tristan. I don't know if you saw it. I sent you a message. You don't have to see it now, you don't have to reply now, but I sent you a message. Check it out later, buddy. No, Pixelsoft is Gozetin. And you probably said, oh, right, Ali, but you don't know what Gozo is. What Gozetin is. It's part of the Maltese Islands. And only recently I discovered that Comino, the island I visited last week, is actually part of Gozo, not of Malta. Very interesting. I find that very interesting. I want Gozo to be part of Malta, not Gozo. I want Comino to be part of Gozo. To be part of... What am I saying? I'm drunk. I'm not. There we go. Yeah, so yeah, it's a part of the Maltese Islands. Gozo is part of Maltese Islands, and they're called Gozetins. That's what I'm saying. I think Alex makes your streams unique, Vloggy. Yes, thank you very much, Ali. I really she looked it up. Ali is smart. Very smart girl. So, yeah. What was I saying? I was saying something and I lost track. My accent, yeah. Thank you very much for saying that, Ali. But, yeah, I mean, I didn't think so. I was scared to go out publicly on YouTube making videos with my funny accent. So I spoke Maltese. If you go to my YouTube channel and you travel years back, you'll see my videos are in Maltese. And I get a lot of thumbs down, huh? Because I was playing mainstream games. The first thing that comes to mind was Limbo, for instance. I used to play Limbo. It was a very mainstream game back then. Alright? And I used to make, I'm gonna say catchy thumbnails, but, you know. Anyway, so people used to click on my videos, and then they hear this guy saying Nil-Akom Aliktar Limbo. I wasn't very confident. I sounded like that, like, welcome to my stream, you know, and it's one of my, there's one episode that's one of my most viewed videos. But I got so many thumbs down on that. Which is fine, it's okay. My point is, it's better you speak in English so people understand you. So as I was saying, I was watching a lot of streams lately that made me itch for more Minecraft. What am I building? Well, welcome, first of all, welcome, Laro. Hello. Welcome. I'm just pulling your leg, buddy. Well, my build is really pretty much done. I'm just landscaping right now. I'm just fixing some areas because... But yes, Protosem is right. Protosem is awesome. Protosem is another streamer, and yes, streaming is an art. Well, I mean, a performance art, yes. With that being said, you don't have to think much about what to say. That's what I always say. Never think about what you have to say, or how to greet people, or that. Just be yourself. Be yourself. I'm not sure if I asked. I'm not sure if I asked Protosem how is he today? How are you, Sam? I don't think I have. And there's Emily as well. Welcome, Emily. I don't know why, but hang on. What's wrong? Hang on. Okay. Oh, something that wasn't right, but now it's been fixed. Some of you will notice what I was talking about. I can't join because it's a private... this is a private game, is it? I don't know. I think it's an online game. Hold on. I'm not sure how it's done. Hang on. What am I doing? What am I doing? Back. I think it's Are you online? Do you want me to invite you right now? I can invite you. I invited you just in case you want to join. Luke, welcome! I notice you every single time, senpai. Hang on. I love the sound it makes when you pick up stuff. Tristan is in the house. There he is. There he is. Looks like Tristan is close by. The spawn point is very far away, so... Jed is so awesome. Spanner War. You know, I call it a spanner too. Bare bones, I call it a spanner. I think it's a Maltese thing. But I don't think I can go to bed now because there's Oh, there he is. Can you make a bed, Tristan? Hang on. Let me see if I can make you a bed. Hang on. How do I get out of bed? How do I get out of bed? Get out. Okay, hang on. Can I make you a bed real quick? Light grey wool. Yes, I can make you a bed. Okay. I have to make you a bed real quick. Hey Evan, welcome. Welcome to the stream. We're playing some Minecraft. Some chillaxing with Minecraft. I love this music so much. There we go. That's yours. Pick it up, buddy. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. It's all yours. And I'm gonna throw in some... There you go. Pick up the stuff. No, that's mine. Pick up the bed. There's a bed for you. Pick it up, buddy. Alright, you didn't see me throw the bed, I think. Let me try again. There you go. Take the bed. There you go. We need to sleep, buddy. Because it's late. We need to sleep. It's called a wrench. Yes, we call it a spanner here. But apparently it's a wrench. It's a wrench. It's all this American stuff. It's rubbing in on us, bare bones. The American lingo. I'm gonna take a nap, and I hope that Tristan does the same. I need morning in my life, Tristan. There he is. There you go. Also, Tristan, I know that you can't hear me because I'm using the microphone for the stream, not for this. But you're only renting this place. You're not going to live here, okay? You need to build your own house, buddy. I put a lot of sweat and blood into making this mansion. I want you to build as well. The thing is this, I used to invite people playing with me. And I invite them and they come to my world and they're like, dude, I need food. Dude, make me a bed. Dude, make me a sword. I need some diamond. Like, seriously, dude. Nobody gave me stuff when I started. You know, and I hate that, you know. I don't mind giving you some food to get started. Fair enough, yes. But, I mean, you know, Minecraft is all about starting from fresh. Starting from scratch. From fresh. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. In the UK it's spanner. Okay, that's what it is then. Okay, that's what. Did you give me a bow? No, that's yours, buddy. Keep it. I don't need. I hope you didn't take the bow from me. Don't take stuff away from me. There's a skeleton. Hello, skeleton. I thought it was a user. So many. There we go. Okay, did you have a diamond sword already? Or did you steal it? Huh? 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 I don't think Tristan is the type that steals stuff though. I don't think so. Let's see, what can I get rid of? Oh, he picked it up. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna keep digging for a bit. That's alright, Pixelsoft. Welcome back. As I was saying, I love this music so much. I hope it's not copyrighted or something like that, because it would really defeat the purpose of my stream. Tristan! What's this? What is this? I think you threw it by mistake though. I don't think you want me to have it. Unless you stole it! I can't pick it up, buddy. I can't pick it up. Tristan, it's okay. You don't need to help me, buddy. You can just do your thing. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. I need to eat again, wow. I don't have any more food. I'm gonna eat the rotten flesh for now. Yeah, as far as I know, Approaching Nirvana are okay with people using their music on their videos, so... I hope so. He wants me to have the sword. He wants me to have the sword. I don't think I have enough dirt to fill in the hole. Yeah, not enough cash, as they would say. No, I don't have enough. He wants me to have the sword, does he? No? He's gonna throw the sword again? Monster Cat, I don't think Monster Cat changed the whole copyright thing. Might want to check that out. I'll check out Monster Cat, yeah. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, I'll check out Monster Cat. It's alright, Tristan, I believe you, buddy. I was just teasing, buddy. I was just teasing you. You know what I'm gonna do? I am going to landscape some of this area over here as well. I need foods. What happens if I eat the chicken raw? I think I get poisoned or something. Let's see. There we go. Hunger. I'm even hungrier now. But I just want to make it to the island real quick. Hold on. So I'll get some more melon. Yeah, I like McLeod, but it's not. I don't think it's material that. It's not streaming material. It's just for videos, I think. That's my personal opinion. I love his music, but it's not streaming material. It's more for videos. I use my clothes video music for videos. My boat! My boat! My boat! Chat is acting up, I think. It's doing that thing again. I wonder if it's just mine. Look at my mob trap. I need to build some serious stuff in this world. I need to make an automated chicken farm that grows, you know, that farms chicken and grows them and cooks them. I need to make something like that. I used to be good at this stuff. Oh. Oh, that Titanic map. Yes, I loved that map so much. I loved it. That was funny. That was very funny. I still enjoy doing those things. Tristan, as much as I enjoy your company and your help with my my stuff, I'd rather you did your own thing, really, but it's up to you, really. But I appreciate, but I think you should be doing your own thing, like getting your own house or something. Don't you think so? Chat is acting up. It's all weird. I don't know why. I'm getting the white lines again. It used to happen a month ago or so. Seems to be happening again. Let me see if I can fix that. It's annoying me. Let me just go back in. I don't want the creeper to attack me while I'm AFK. Or is that AFC? Because it's a controller. AFC? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Time to slaughter a pig. Pig! Don't run away from me! he coming back? Is he coming? He's sleeping in the bed. Oh, he got his bed with him outside apparently. Okay. Oh, he's sleeping outside. Oh, you risk of getting attacked by monsters, buddy. I do the Minecrafter's multi. Ah, he has his own bed. All right, he has his own bed. I thought he took that with him. Okay, there we go. More Minecraft multi, but in English. Does it make sense having Minecrafters multi, but in English? Will that make sense? It did cross my mind, to be honest with you, but I don't know. Let's kill some mobs. I need to collect some stuff. White wool, whatever. Light grey wool, whatever. Oh no, what am I doing? Hey, Mr. Creeper. Like a boss, just as a boss. Hey spider, guess what? Guess what? I already have another mansion in mind, and this one's not even finished yet. I don't plan on spending a lot of time on this mansion now. I'll just do the essentials and stop it there, because it's gonna take way too much time. I thought I saw something. I'd like to have this world full of amazing builds. Yes, I know that, Pixel, yeah. I know that. The chat's annoying me so much. I wanna see if I can fix this, hold on. I don't know why though. Why is it doing that? I'm gonna try to change the layout of the chat, hold on, see if it makes any difference. Let's do the semi-opaque, hold on. Okay. I changed chat. See if it makes any difference now. It almost looks like it should be up there now. It should be at the top. Should I scroll it to the top or leave it at the bottom as it is? Interesting. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it at the bottom. No. Let's move it. Yeah, I think that's good. We'll see if the thing happens again. Okay. It covers a lot of the game though, huh? It's just an experiment, we're trying something out. That's weird with the chat. It used to happen like a month ago, and I thought it was just me, and then it was on other people's streams, and I was noticing the white strips as well. I'm like, it's not just me, something's wrong. And then they found a fix. And there was Barry, another streamer. He was like, you need to do this and that and this and that. And I'm like, I don't know what to do, man. I don't know what to do. I'm stupid. And he's like, don't worry, I'm gonna send you exactly. Just copy and paste it. And that's what I did. He's gonna have to do it again for me. This is the chest of junk. I'm gonna put all the junk here for now. Then I'll reorganize everything later, perhaps, I don't know. Not in the mood to organize right now. I need to make... I don't have a workbench here. I should have a workbench here. There we go. Nice. Hey Matt, what's up, man? I'm sorry, that was overly excited. But yeah, I'm excited to see you because, dude, first of all, did you finish your stream, your 24-hour? Did you do that? Oh my goodness, your stream was crazy, man. Oh my goodness, my God, I've never seen anything like that before, dude. That was amazing. It blew my mind. It blew my mind, your stream. It's awesome having you here, man. I think at one point you must have hit 1K viewers, man. That was amazing. And I think in one session you hit like... I think you must have hit around 400 subs in one session. That was amazing. I've never seen anything like that. And it's so inspiring, man. Keep doing what you're doing, huh? It's all about the grind. It's all about the grind. $900 subs. Wow, buddy, you must be exhausted. It's amazing having you here. Thank you so much for dropping by. I should get some rest, buddy. Today is my official return to Minecraft. I'm back. I'm back. I did say I'll be back when I finished playing it, so I'm back. It's good to be back. I love Minecraft. I had a troll attack earlier, Matt, you missed it. I had a troll attack. It was the same guy changing username and telling me to die of cancer and that I'm a pedophile and all that stuff. You know how it is. You know how it is. He's gone now. Look at Tristan, he's an early sleeper. I'm coming, Tristan, hang on. One more block, 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 one more block. I'm coming, I'm coming. I'll be there in a sec. I'll be there in a sec. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. 1.4k, amazing. That's amazing, mind-blowing. Yeah, Ali, thank you so much for having my back, huh? Thank you so much. I randomly assigned the wrench to you, and wow, it's a good thing I did. Thank you so much. With that being said, no pressure. It doesn't mean you have to be here and controlling, and it's not about work. I don't want you to be working here. I want to be enjoying your time. No, it wasn't Reese. No, I know about Reese, Matt. I know about Reese. In fact, he reminded me of him. Cheerful friend is lurking. Everybody, cheerful friend is here. He's lurking, but he's here. I'm exposing him. Welcome, buddy. Nice to have you. Oh, Wesker, by the way. I streamed a Wesker mode earlier in Resident Evil 2. But it was a fan game anyway. But it was so good! It was so good! I'll play it again. I'll play it again for sure. It's so hard. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. It's just a mini game. That was good. So well made. Tristan, I don't know if you're listening or watching, whatever, but if you need stone, if you need material, I have a lot. You can have material. I have wood, I have sandstone, I have sand. You can have, if you're building something. I don't know what you're doing. Are you sleeping? There's the streamer I like to watch, and he plays online with others on Minecraft. And sometimes when everyone's quiet and he doesn't know where they are, he goes, like, there's this one girl he plays with, her name's Lizard, and he goes, Lizard, you sleeping? And she goes, no, I'm here. Tristan, you sleeping? Such an honor, actually, the streamer I'm talking about. I've been watching his his streams for a while now. He's such a good Minecrafter, I enjoy. And he died. Such a great Minecrafter. I love watching his videos. He's so committed and he grinds on the streams so much. It's very inspiring. Anyway, and I'm on his streams most of the time, but I lurk. I don't interact much, but he knows I'm there. And yesterday or the day before, it was such an honor. I just said, hi, I'm here, I'm lurking. He's like, dude, I checked out your channel, I love your content so much, I subscribed. And it's such an honor, you know, somebody that you admire subscribing to your channel. I don't know, I think it's flattering, kind of. It's an honor. I'm rambling, haven't looked at chat in a while. What's going on? King of Trolls, yeah. Yeah, he reminded me of him actually, yes, and I did mention that there was a similar troll. Yeah, you missed it, Matt. Yeah, you missed it. I was gonna put it off because I wanted you to watch it, like, I know how much you love these kind of things. I was gonna postpone it, but I kinda promised it on Twitter that I was gonna stream it, so I had to. But I'll stream it again. It's fine, don't worry, Matt. Oh, there's one more thing I'm very OCD about, Tristan, again, if you're listening. If a creeper blows up and he makes a hole, please fix the hole. There's two things that I hate that people do on Minecraft that really... How can I say it? It's a pet peeve. People who mine a tree, like chop down a tree and they just leave the rest floating in the air. They just don't chop the whole thing off. They just leave it floating there. I hate it. I hate it. If you started mining a tree, chopping down a tree, finish it. Don't leave it hanging. I hate that. I hate people who do that. It annoys me so much. That and the creeper thing. Yeah. If a creeper blows up, please close the hole. Pixelsoft should get some rest, buddy. Why are you still up? I would love to stream for like all night tonight, but I have to work early tomorrow. Yeah, I'm working early tomorrow. 7 AM. I hate morning shifts! Tristan's still here. He's still watching. I wish I had a microphone so I can... Well, I need another microphone really, I think. So I can communicate with chat with the stream. And with the players in game. I think I need two microphones for that. I don't know how I'm gonna pull that off without another microphone. Yeah, you do that. Get something to eat, get some rest, buddy. I can only imagine what that's like. Take care. Thanks so much for dropping by. Get some rest, buddy. And well done on the stream. 24-hour streams so much. And I think Minecraft will be the game I'll play if I ever do a 24-hour stream. Well, not if I ever do, when I do a Minecraft, because I know I'm gonna do one eventually. But it's gonna be Minecraft for sure. It has to be Minecraft. I love this song so much. The girl singing is called Vila, if you want to look her up. She has an amazing voice. She has the voice of an angel. It's true, it's true. I honestly think that she has a voice of an angel. I love her voice. Vila, it's V-E-E-L-A, if you want to check her out. Welcome to my world, Tristan. That's what it's like. That's what it's like. There he is. There's the man. I'd love to stream all day, but I can't now. I'm gonna keep myself awake for a while, maybe till midnight. But then I have to get some rest. I want to sleep at least 6 hours before I go to work tomorrow. Look at the bunny going in my house! Time to bed it. I would love to stream all day, but I can't. It's impossible for me. I wish I had the time to stream all day. That's what I would do, full time. And I am kind of taking it easy this summer, because it's summer. You know, it's how it is in summer. I tend to go out a bit. Okay. I tend to go out. Summer is meant to go out. If it were up to me, I would stay indoors and play video games. But no, it's summer. Let's enjoy it. Let's play video games in winter. In fact, the best titles will come out in winter. I think that's not a coincidence. So yeah, we're gonna have a few games coming out, and I'm gonna be streaming some mainstream titles once they come out. Starting with The Last Guardian. That's the first game I'm gonna be playing. The Last Guardian, then we've got Dishonored 2. These are the games I'm gonna be playing for sure. And then we've got Pokemon Sun and Moon. I have to buy the capture card. You know, I should save all this sand because I have a project in mind as well for the future. So yeah, it's gonna require a lot of glass what I have in mind, so. And it involves underwater. They are very, very expensive, Ali, so much. Hey Animation, welcome! Welcome to the stream. I am playing some Minecraft on survival. This is 100% survival, so no jokes, no cheating. Lots of landscaping, mining, boring, tedious work. There we go. Yes, very expensive, the capture card. I need to get one of those. I want to play Sun and Moon, because the thing is this, I'm gonna be getting my copy very early. Not very early, earlier than most people. So I have a chance to stream it. Now the thing is this, you need to send them your 3DS. They will do the modification for you and then they'll send it back to you. And I'm scared to do that. What if they scratch it or something? I don't know. So what they also do is they make ready-made 3DSs. You can just buy a brand new one. They'll modify it for you right away. So I'm gonna buy a ready-made one. And I don't need it to be 3DS, I'll buy a cheap 2DS instead. I'll buy a brand new 2DS with a capture card. It's gonna cost me $350. No problem, Pixelsoft. Take your time, buddy. They are unnecessarily expensive. They shouldn't be that expensive. Come on, the capture cards. But hey, I'm not gonna complain. It's there. If I want to buy it, I buy it. If I don't, I don't. And I do. I want to buy it. Not sure how many people are watching. I like to hide the amount of viewers. So if there's any people out there who are visiting my channel for the first time and are enjoying the sound of my voice for some reason, I encourage you to subscribe. I'm gonna be playing some Minecraft. I've been playing a lot of Minecraft. I like Minecraft, I like Resident Evil. I love side scrollers. And I like Pokemon. I'm currently playing Pokemon Black 2. That's a blind playthrough. Hello Davisava, welcome. Welcome, welcome. As you can see, I'm playing some Minecraft, mining, landscaping, flattening the area. Maybe one day I'll build another mansion next to this one. That's the plan. That's the plan. You mining with your own hands, buddy? Really? Really? Very funny. Very funny, Bear Bones. Very funny. It's over 9,000! Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Now then, what am I gonna do? I need to leave like a stair, like some stairs. Hang on. Something like this. I love this song. Landscaping is a pain, huh? I'm gonna have to get up and stretch for a bit. Why is Nightbot not here? Nightbot, are you here? Let's see. I don't think he's here, Nightbot. Hey, welcome back, Pixelsoft. Oh, my back. Let me see. Let me check for Nightbot. Nightbot. Wow, way to go, Vloggy. I put the controller down, huh? While I'm messing around with settings. Nice. Amateur. That was bad. That was really bad of me. But I don't think... Let's just eat real quick. Nightbot should be here now. Nightbot, are you here? Let's try again. Have a good night, Pixelsoft. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate you being here. Maybe sleeping. Maybe Nightbot is sleeping. Okay, doke. I just did. I just went on the website and I logged in and everything, but no. It's like I have to do the join channel every single time, and I did, but it's not working, I think. Mr. Nightbot sleeping. Oh, there he is. Welcome, Nightbot. Do my thing. Do my favorite thing, Nightbot, please. Do my favorite thing. My favorite thing in the world. Sponsored by Wesker. I love this. I love this so much. It's so amusing. It doesn't work like that, Bare Bones. It doesn't work like that. Are you gonna be streaming today, Ali? Hey Bare Bones, do the inspire thing. Do inspire command. Do it. Come on. Come on, buddy, come on. Everybody can do it, actually. Everybody can do it. Come on, do the inspire. Actually, I'm not so sure if it's just moderators. Bare Bones once said, they never said winning was easy. You are wise, Bare Bones. You are so wise. Where'd you get this? Where'd you get this stuff? So as I was saying, it's gonna get easier for me to stream in winter. I will go out less. I'm gonna hold on to. Oh, look at that! The chest remained open. How interesting. Okay, what was I gonna do? Yeah, why not? Let's melt some stuff. And I was gonna make some pickaxes. Pickash. Nope. Oh, I lack sticks. I need sticks. There we go. Oh, nose. I'll throw this on the floor. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make myself another chest. Hold on. Okay, sand goes in there. And even sandstone, it's fine. Everything goes in there. That's it, I decided. Let's go. You're enjoying that, are you? I want to try something else. Hold on. Ali is an awesome streamer. Yes. Wise, Bearballs. You are wise. So, I want to try something else. Hang on. I don't know how to do this. Hold on. Let's see if it works. Oh no, really? Really? Okay, so for Paris it's fine. Just for Malta it won't work. Now I want to try it. Okay, when it comes to Malta, it can't connect to the Yahoo Weather Service. Oh, poor Malta, always left behind when it comes to these things. In fact, last week I was reading that YouTube Gaming was launched in Germany. It's gonna be a while before we see that in Malta. It's gonna be a while. Because technically I'm not really streaming on YouTube Gaming, I'm streaming on YouTube. But if you could do the gaming.youtube/ the URL, it looks like I'm on YouTube Gaming, but I don't really have YouTube Gaming. When it finally releases in Malta, YouTube Gaming, like in 2057, I'm gonna have a head start in subscribers. That's what I heard too. I heard it's gonna be Wednesday, it's gonna rain. That's what I heard. I heard it's Wednesday. You wanna make a bet, Bearballs? You wanna make a bet? I say it's Wednesday. What about you? Let's make a bet. There we go. I need to make a stair-shaped thing here. It needs to be like stairs. It's gonna be a while. Looks like Tristan's up to something. I love this song too. Does it have lyrics? Let's see, because there's two versions of this song, with lyrics and without lyrics. Let's see. Yes, it's with lyrics. You say the word's gonna end tomorrow? If you can build it correctly, if you can do it well, I will let you build it, but I don't think you will build it correctly. Not correctly, but I mean like, well. Because I can do this. Hang on. Oh, come on. I can do this and call it the Monument of Halua. I can do this and call it the one. But if you can build a good one, I will let you. I hope that's not what Tristan is building. I know he's not. Man. We should get some sleep. Ouch. PC is better. I agree that PC is better. What are you, scuba diver? Let's go. Time to sleep it up. I'll just wait for Tristan, it's fine. No rush, buddy. No rush. Take your time. Should I increase the brightness of my stream? Seems to be okay though, is it? It's not that bad, is it? Alright, I'm out of bed. I think it's morning already. I didn't notice. Yeah, it's morning. Looks like it's morning. Yes, it is. Let's check out Tristan's build. What is it? If you ask me, it looks like something running. There's two legs with hands up. I don't know. That's what it looks like. I'm kind of concerned about that it's quite close to my house because I was gonna landscape this area. It's gonna flatten it this much. We'll see. We will see. I could play this game for hours. Has the music stopped? No, I'm not asking you to remove it, buddy. It's not about that. It looks good. It looks really good, but it's just I'm thinking of flattening the area. So I'm more concerned. I don't mind it being close to my house at all. Not at all. It's just that I was landscaping and I was making it flat, and I was gonna keep going with the flattening of the area. I was like gonna be very, very flat. It was gonna be one level. That's what I'm trying to say. It's gonna be one level all the way. So if I did that, your structure is gonna be floating. It looks so cool. It's like something carrying a log of wood. It's so cool. It looks cool. I love it. But yeah, that's my concern. I don't want your thing to be floating unless you want to make a little thing, like a kind of a platform. Make it stand on. Perhaps you could do that. I don't know. I just don't want to mess with your structure. That's all. I don't want to get in the way of your builds. That's what I'm saying. Dropping bombs. Who's dropping bombs? You in the toilet? Ah, man. My back. Am I done here? No, not yet. Yeah, I don't mind the statues. I don't mind the statues at all. Oh, in my private server, when I played Minecraft on the PC, I made a nice cat. A statue of a nice cat. And I was doing also a dragon. Oh, I miss those days. I still have a copy of that server somewhere. I want to make this world even better than the one I had before. We'll see. I'm gonna come check it out. Hang on. I want to finish this. I'm coming, hold on. You're enjoying that, bare bones. Hold on, let's see. Ah, this is the back. I think this is the back. It's so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, you. Come on. Did you build that out of your mind right away, or are you copying it from something? Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you being creative right now, or are you copying? Huh? 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 Oh, Tristan. Well, I don't mind it being there at all, but I think you should lower it by 2 blocks, because I plan on landscaping here as well, like this. Boom, 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 like this. So if you want to anticipate my landscaping, because I plan on landscaping like this, you know, like this, comme ça. You see, so yeah, unless you plan on landscaping some for me, but yeah, I would like to have this all flat. So again, if you want to build it anyway, and then we'll do a little platform perhaps for it to stand on, it's fine. It's up to you. But I don't mind where it is. I don't mind where it is at all. I don't mind it being anywhere. It's just I'm concerned because about the fact that I'm gonna be landscaping it here. I'm gonna landscape, like, make it so. Am I being annoying? Sorry if I am. It's just. I'll landscape some for you so that you can build it. I'm gonna do it for you. There you go. Because I'm being a pain. I know I'm being a pain. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, Ali. Thank you so much for hanging out. Buon appetit. There you go. There we go. So many awesome ideas in mind for this world. You know what I haven't done in a while? My goodness. How do you save the map? If I disable autosave, are you sure you want to disable because of okay. Alright, so I can just do save game. Okay. Cancel. That's it. Okay. So I can just save it manually. I heard that automatic save, auto-saving corrupts the world sometimes, so I don't want to risk that. I do not want to risk that, my friend. You know what I just realized? I have 2 people visiting my stream with the username with the word bones in their username. I have bare bones and I have rusty bones as well. Did you ever meet Rusty? Bear. Okay, time to bed. Time to bed it up. Okay, no problem, Tristan. No problem. No problemos. Take care, Tristan. Have a good night. There was a cow here somewhere. I saw a cow. Is it enchanted? No, it's not. Hey, you cow. Moo for me! See ya, buddy. Take care. This guy's gonna ruin me. This guy's gonna ruin me. There's a creeper here. Oh yeah! Don't you even dare. Don't you even dare. Oh, did you see that? Suicide! Suicide bunny, did you guys see that? That was funny. Suicide is not funny, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. You know, I didn't know that you could eat rabbit now. I had no idea. Hey, welcome, buddy. Welcome to the stream. So now we're being Maltese now, eating rabbit. Now the wolf committed suicide. No, I mean, he tried. Gets very tedious doing all this. Yeah, I saw I saw Varo, I saw. My goodness, that was awesome, huh? That was so good. What the what? Suicide rabbits. Yeah, that was so amazing. That was amazing. Very inspiring. I want to do the same thing. Ah! Grind, grind, grind! No, but it's... No, seriously. It's good. I'm happy for him. Because he works hard. He grinds a lot of hours. I was there for a bit. I was there for a bit. And after he finished his stream, he actually showed up here. Just, I think half an hour ago. I lose track of time when I'm playing. I think it was about half an hour ago. He showed up. When he finished his stream, he said he came to say hi. He was telling me about it. That was one crazy stream. Yeah. When you grind long hours, sooner or later you're gonna get exposed and you're gonna get discovered. And that's what streaming is all about. All about the grind. He's putting a lot of effort into it, so he deserves it. I honestly, Varo, I don't really care much about subscribers, you know. All I care about is having an awesome stream, streaming, interacting, you know, having people show up. But it's not about the subs, really. It's not about the subs. It's about entertaining people. I enjoy entertaining people and having a high quality stream, professional kind of, you know. That's what I'm saying. That doesn't disconnect all the time, doesn't interrupt, that I have good sound quality, all this stuff. I look forward to stream Pokemon Sun and Moon when it comes out. That's what I'm looking forward to. I'm gonna grind long hours when that comes out. For shizzle my nizzle. It's the same reason why I don't do a sub counter on my YouTube channel. Because I don't want it to be about subs, about numbers. It's not that really. Oops, did I fall? Oops, I fall. No, I'm gonna leave it at that. It's okay. You didn't choose the Brony Life. Brony Life chose you. Okay, if you say so, Fedora. Sometimes I think getting subscribers and exposure is all about playing mainstream games like Call of Duty and Minecraft, and I just fell. But I think getting subscribers and exposure is all about playing mainstream games like Call of Duty and Minecraft, and I just fell. 'Cause I think getting subscribers and exposure is all about playing mainstream games like Call of Duty and Minecraft, and I just fell. And I hate mainstream games, as you can see, as you know, Varo, I like to play obscure titles. Stuff that others never heard of. And that does not get you viewers. People are not gonna look for those kind of games. And this is not why I'm playing Minecraft, but mind you. I'm playing Minecraft because I love it. Fire in my chest. Okay, let's go down. Hipster buddy. It's true. It's true. I think that's what it is. I'm a hipster. Well, it's true. I love playing games that other people haven't heard of. I like to educate people, like when it comes to Resident Evil. I love the Resident Evil franchise, but many people don't know about certain titles, and I often get people like, "What's this game? I've never heard of it, and I love Resident Evil. How come I've never heard of it?" You know, and I enjoy showing off obscure titles. That's all. Obuses, welcome! Welcome, welcome, welcome! Look at your message, it brings joy and happiness. I love it. Eat that. I'm gonna conserve and save all this sand because I'm gonna need it. I am gonna need this sand. One more row. Okay, here we go. I never defeated the dragon in this game. One day we're gonna do it. Thank you, Fedora. Thank you so much. Again, as I was saying, I don't care much about the subs. It's all about having awesome people like you guys here. It's all I care about. Having awesome peoples. I want to fix this. It's annoying me. Hang on. There we go. Okay. Wow. Oh, one last pickaxe. One last pickaxe. One last shovel. Well, I mean, that was one of my concerns as well. But you don't need, you don't worry about that. You don't worry. You just do your thing and that's it. If they want to sleep, they sleep. That's fine. Keep in mind, if they sleep whilst watching you, they're still lurking. It's still a view that's counting. Maybe I should play some lullabies. No, but seriously, no, it's just be yourself. Let's face it, Minecraft is a very tedious game sometimes, especially when you're mining and when you're grinding and when you're flattening areas like I'm doing right now. Or now, right now I'm not really flattening, I'm just making a stair. Stair? Stairs. Okay, Fedora. Enjoy skateboarding. Take care. Stay safe. Okay, I think I finished this. I think we're done. Okay, we're good. Hello, MySick TV. Did I say that right? MySick? MySick? Welcome to the stream. We're playing some survival. Some Minecraft survival. Here we go. Look at that. At least it's not just a wall now. At least I turned it into some kind of stairs. So I can easily go up and down now. Eventually I'm gonna flatten it anyway, but... Eventually we're gonna flatten it anyway. Yeah, he is a troll. Bye, have a great time. Go bother somebody else. Bye. It's amazing, Bare Bones, how many kids and noobs and babies this game attracts. It's amazing. In my experience, this is annoying me. I'm gonna remove it. I'm sorry, Tristan. I'm gonna remove it because I hate floating stuff. I am so OCD. I'm gonna remove it. Sorry, Tristan. I can't reach it. I don't care. It's going. It's amazing how many kids and babies and noobs this game attracts. Like you wouldn't believe. In my experience, it's this game. In my experience, I'm saying. And Resident Evil 4. Oh my goodness. From the streams that I watch, at least. Those are the ones. When it's a mainstream game, I think even Call of Duty, they get a lot of trolls. I want to push the bunny in the water. No! Go in the water. Go in the water. Go in the water. Ah! I can't. Let me try again. Let me try again. Get in the water. Get in the water. Is he stuck? Is he hugging a tree? Chasing bunnies. Come on, come on, come on. Get in the water. Get in the water. Get in the water. Get in the water. I think they avoid the water. I heard that on Twitch it's worse when it comes to trolls. I don't know. Never streamed on Twitch. Well, I streamed once or twice just to see what it's like, but I'm gonna put these in the box. No, I mean this box. I have so much material now for making glass. I'm full. That's it. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I need some shovels and more pickaxes. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna stretch my back for a bit. I'm gonna go AFK, AF controller, AFC, AF controller. I'm gonna put the controller down for a bit, for about 2-3 minutes. So I stretch my back, make a wee, make myself a drink, and walk around. And I'll be right back. Later. I won't pause it. I want you to enjoy the view of the moon. Be right back. No, he doesn't swear. I'm back. No, he doesn't swear. I like to keep my streams clean, and I don't appreciate swearing in the chat. But I can't really control what people say in chat, really. I mean, as long as you're not just saying stuff. I mean, if you're using it to express yourself, that's fine. I'm okay with that. But if you're just saying it just so you can say it, just so you can feel like a grown-up, you know, that's what I'm saying. But I don't swear, no. I try to keep this PG. PG? No, not PG. Universal. I like to keep this family friendly, that's what I say. Because I like to keep in mind that my little sister is watching as well. You know, so, yeah. She does actually watch, my little sister. I have an 8-year-old sister. And she does enjoy watching my videos from time to time, so, yeah. Welcome to the stream, buddy. I don't like to give out shout-outs. Okay, I mean, people usually just come into the stream, they say hi and I say hi back, you know, 7 ways to eat pie, nothing and more nothing. I like that. I like your username, you know, but I don't give shoutouts, you know, say hi and I'll say hi back. That's how I roll. That's how I roll, baby. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I need a lot of cow skin, or whatever it's called. I want to make some bookshelves. Don't worry about it, buddy. Don't worry about it. No problemo. Hi, 7 ways to eat pie. Hang on, I got... There we go. It was annoying me. There's another moo cow here. No. Look at this. Look at this. Not good, man. Not good. No, this annoys me so much. Hey CF Montage, welcome. Yeah, the word is leather. I had a brain fart. I couldn't think of the word leather. Oh, by the way, I didn't make myself a drink. Cause I ran out of juice. Did you ever see a cow on a tree, guys? Did you ever see a cow on a tree? Yeah, I ran out of juice and I don't want to drink vodka neat. I mean, I could, but I'm playing. Oh. How many leather do I have? I have 6 now. That means 6 books. Then I have 11 steaks. Hey, Incredible, welcome. Where's Ultima? I don't know. He was here just a second ago. Ultima! Thank you so much, 7 Ways to Eat Pie. Thank you so much. You take care. Thank you for dropping by. No more cows? No more moo cows? Nope. Nope. There's a chicken. It looks like a duck. Roll with me? Roll with me? What do you mean roll with me? In the mud? You're weird, Varo. You're weird. I like that. Sugar canes. Let's see. I have 64 and 50. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Roll into a pool of lava. Exactly. Let's make some more bookshelves. Bookshelves. This room is okay. Look at the mushrooms. Look at the mushrooms. You see? I get more mushrooms. So, making paper like this. Okay, and then we make books like this. 6. I only made 6. Oh well. And that's 2 bookshelves. Wow, such progress. Very wow. I knew it was gonna be a pain making bookshelves once they added the leather in the recipe for making books. I knew it was gonna be a pain. One over there. One over there. I want to have this room full of library books. I was thinking maybe I'll have another enchanting table over here, perhaps? We'll see. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. You know what I'm gonna do next time, I think, if it's not too boring? You know what? I feel like mining now, actually. Let's cook some food. Actually, Tristan put a furnace in my bedroom now. Oh, you. Let's cook these 11 steaks. Oh, I don't have coal on me. I don't feel like walking. So, this is gonna have to do. Oh, there he is! There he is! He's still alive! He's alive! He should be sleeping, but he's alive! I took down the the log that was floating. Raw rabbit. Papers? You left a log that was floating, so I removed it. It was bothering me. Sorry! Look how many paper I have. You enjoy bathing in the blood of your enemies. I enjoy bathing in the tears of my enemies. I'm imagining Tristan right now in bed with his phone under the pillow, under the sheets, watching the stream. Am I guessing? Am I guessing right now? Probably with headphones. That is my guess. That would be my guess. Alright, I feel like mining. I feel like streaming for another half an hour. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna organize myself real quick. I feel like mining. So, the bone I'll keep, the dirt I don't want, the feather I don't need. I'll cook these two. The saplings I'll keep. The sticks, yeah, I'm good. Just gonna, real quick. I feel like mining right now. So, why am I here? No, this is not why I'm here. Oh, I need torches. I saw the code. I need torches. I'm a noob. I'll take these 10 with me. I'll make some torches. Bare bones, buddy. Totally not. Okay, if you say so, we'll believe you. I have 28 torches, should be okay. I'm gonna get my special pickaxe right now. Look at my prized possession. My precious. Come to me. It has Fortune 2 and I'm breaking 3. I love it. And then I'm gonna use... I don't need this actually, I'm gonna leave it there. My special pick for mining. Alright, so it's getting dark again. Yes. Just gonna cook the food and I'll step out. So I'll take that. I'll put the chicken. Oops. You know what I'm gonna do? Hang on. I'm gonna make myself comfortable, but in order for me to make myself comfortable, I need to put my glasses on so I can read chat far away rather than squinting. Hang on. Okay, back. You have bedrock in front of your door. Okay, so chicken is ready. What else? I'm gonna cook the pork chops. It's dark out. Let's go to bed and let's go. Ah, the chat thing is doing it again. Definitely something wrong with YouTube again. Okay, let's go mining. I need to remember where I was mining last time actually. I remember going through here, I think. Bare bones is Japanese. This is it. This is it. This is it. It has to be it. No. Where is it? Where is it? Where's my secret cave? There it is. Alright, I think this is level... This is the level in which I mine. I think this is it. Yep, this has to be it. I am going to... I need to make a sign. Well, actually I have this on the floor, which indicates the way out, so that's good. Oh, I got a furnace here, I forgot about... Oh, what's this? Wooden pickaxe. Using it as a fuel. Alright, I'm gonna... mine this way. Let's go. Oh man, bad start already. No. Let's choose another destination. Here. This is gonna be it. I have a feeling about this one. Give me diamonds! I need iron pickaxes here. Oh, and I don't have any iron on me, do I? No, I don't. I don't feel like going back. Have I been here? Well, there's torches. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Creeper! Haha! Ha! I am so getting lost. I'm looking for diamonds, really. I'm looking for diamonds. Well, anything, really. I could use everything. I need iron as well. But I'm here for diamonds, mostly. There we go. Is that a... What is this? I made these. This looks like something I did myself. I'm already lost. I don't know which way I... Oh, no, 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 no. What the what? No, 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 no. Ah. Oh my goodness. I was so close. I walked into lava. That was very noob of me. Oh my goodness, that was bad. That was funny. If I died, I would have raged so hard. I just walked into the lava, did I? Ah! Ah! Oh wow, he didn't see me. Wow, he didn't see me. Oh my goodness. I need to be careful here. Well, yeah, diamonds are kind of hard to find, yeah. Usually diamonds like to hang out next to lava. Like to hang out. There's a skeleton over there, look at that. He doesn't see me. But I see him! Oh! What's that? No, that's lapis. Mr. Creeper. Oh! Nah, I'm not gonna bother. I'm lost. I don't know where I am. There's a skeleton over there. Let's see if we... Ooh! 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 Well played, Mr. Skeleton. Well played. Nice. Haha. Am I even hitting him? No, I missed. Let's try again. I don't have any more. I don't feel like fighting him. Oh, look at that, an emerald. Now this is even rarer than diamonds. Probably be just one here. Probably be just one. One? Yeah, one only. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, there's gold as well. I almost mined it. Now I'm gonna use my fortune to see if I can get 2 out of them at least. Let's see. 1, 2. Yeah, I got 3. That's nice. No, I can't mine it. I don't have a... Nope. What's with the spider? Why is she... Why does she have particle effects, the spider? What's up, Dada? Welcome, welcome. I'm chilling in a cave, mining some coal and some iron, and I'm lost. I don't know my way back. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I should probably start looking for my way home, actually. Alright, let's see. I keep getting distracted by material to mine. Where's my face? It's over here. I'm talking right through my face. It's over here. There's two reasons why my face is not on today. One, I'm in complete darkness right now, so you won't be able to see my face even if I switch on the camera. I enjoy playing in darkness. Darkness! And second of all, I am not wearing any pants. Or anything else. Am I going around in circles? I don't know. Feels like I am. I remember going through here. Yes, yes, this is familiar. No pants every day, no pants Monday. Which way is the way out? Not sure which way I came from. No. I'm officially lost. What's up there? Oh, I've been here already. Hey 013, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Is this it? Is this it? Yes, this is it. I found the way out. Whoa, dude, I did it. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Close it off. Alright, so this is the way out. I found it. Okay, so I need some iron. So I'm gonna smelt this iron real quick. Put that over there. Okay, and chillax for a bit. I'm gonna quickly check the playlist, music playlist that I'm playing. It's been going on for a while now. It's still going, wow. I'm really enjoying this music. I hope that it's not copyrighted. It shouldn't be, but alright, let's go. I need sticks. This is dangerous. There we go. I feel like mining this way. I have a feeling about this way. I don't know. I'm still live. Yes, Claude. Yes, I am. Still looking for diamonds. I want to do a 24-hour stream. I want to do a 24-hour. It's gonna be Minecraft for sure. It's the only game I see myself playing for a very long time. Let's use up these pickaxes first. I'm gonna be streaming a lot of Minecraft now. I'm back, man. I'm back, man. Oh, look at this. I've been here. Oh, no way. It's not the same place. It is. It's the same place I was in just now. Oh my goodness. No. No. I'll close it off then. That means it's a dead end. Not a dead end, but there's nothing interesting. There we go. Hello, Game Power. Welcome. On the search for some diamonds. That's what we're doing right now. What if I start mining this way? This way. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna leave a torch, which indicates that I have to go this way when I come back. Yes. Very smart of me. People come and go, Claude. People come and go. They come and go and they lurk and they come back. And honestly, I have no idea how many people were watching earlier and how many people are watching now. Because I don't like to see how many people are watching. I like to hide it. I don't like to see how many people are watching. Let's take this coal. I'm gonna keep mining until I destroy all the shovels, and then I'll go back to my mansion. Did you have a nice nap? Not a single diamond. Come on, man. Gimme, gimme. Is there a chat delay of like 1 minute, really? I didn't know that. I'm gonna check that, hold on. I'm gonna check that, be right back. Okay, I'm back. it's not 1 minute actually. It's not that bad. It's the usual delay. I just wanted to check to see if it's more than usual. No, it's okay. We're good. We're good. I haven't been here. You see, new area. I have never been here. Oh, I love me some Minecraft. I could play this for 24 hours straight if I could. If I could, I will. I'll definitely stream this for 24 hours one day. Definitely, definitely. Oh, come on, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. I wish I had a bucket. Because I have a feeling... I smell diamonds. I smell diamonds. Nope, no diamonds. I was hoping to find a diamond before I end the stream. Ah! Lazy. Ooh, more stuff. Ooh, that was close. Ah, come on, still nothing? Ooh, more. Careful, buddy. Careful. Doesn't look like there's diamonds over there either. Nothing. Come on. Oh, I want to find diamonds before I end the stream. I don't think it's gonna happen though. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Strip mining all day long. Strip mining while I sing this song. I need to be careful when I walk and mine. I have a tendency of walking right away. There we go. No diamonds. Hey, welcome back, Francesco. Yes, I'm on the right axis. Claude, I am on the right axis. Trust me, I am. I love doing this. That's it, I think. Yes, that's it. Diamonds! 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 I could keep going longer, but I could keep going, but I won't. Oh my goodness. Okay, I found diamonds. Now let's play a game. All right, let's mine around them first. Let's see how many ores we have. I got 2. Ah, come on, game, don't be cheap. Looks like the game's gonna be cheap. Ah, man. That wasn't worth the L. Alright, let's see. Maybe they're lower. Yo, yes, there are more! There's more! Nice. Nice. Okay. Now we're gonna play a game, alright? Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So we have... Let me just widen up a bit. I'm currently holding... Wait a minute. No, I'm not holding any diamonds right now, so... Okay. Let's play a game. Let's see how many diamonds I'm gonna get out of 4 ores, okay? Let's see. Here we go. First one. I got 2. Alright, let's throw these away. Let's throw something away. Cobblestone. I got 3 diamonds out of that. That's fantastic. Let's do the next one. That 6. Wow, another 3. That's fantastic. Wow. Alright. Next one. Ooh, another 3. I love my fortune pickaxe. Look at that, 9 diamonds. And the last one. Last one just gave me 1. So I got 10 diamonds. That's lovely. That's great. I'm happy now. I'm a happy buddy. I'm a happy VloggyBuddy. I'm gonna go back home. Gonna put these in my chest. And we're gonna call it a day or a stream, whatever you wanna call it. That's why I love my fortune pickaxe, because it works well for me. Okay, so this is the way I need to go. I'll take this back. Let's go. And let's go up. I think I've got some iron smelting here. I'll take it. Thank you very much. $10 diamonds is good. I'm happy. Now, which way I came from? I think it's this way. Ouch. And there's my house. Francesco, I know you have, I know you have. Nightbot just likes to repeat himself, to emphasize. Okay, so, Closing this off for now. Gonna put my stuff in the chests. No, this is, well, actually, while I'm here, I'm gonna put this back here. Thank you very much, Miss Pickaxe. It's a girl. My pickaxe is a girl, because she's awesome. And I'm gonna put this stuff here. I got some coal. In you go. In you go. I should make some blocks of coal, actually, but never mind. I'll do that next time. I got the gold. No, that's not gold. Dum-dum. My emeralds. And my diamonds. Ah, much better. This is called the City Texture Pack. It's my favorite. I got a lot of sand. Is this all dirt? Yeah, but I don't have any. No, nope, wrong item. I love the City Texture Pack because it makes it look kind of realistic in a way. Alright, I am going to call it a stream. I have been streaming for how long? 3 hours 48 minutes. I think that should be enough for today. I'm gonna get some rest, as I have an early start tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get about 5 hours of sleep, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with that. I will, Francesca, I'll do that later. Alright, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna get some sleep. Thank you so much everyone that hung out. Thank you all, every single one of you. It was a fun stream. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hang on. I'll take off my hat so you can see me properly. Bye! See you guys.